What's up guys, exciting day here at SB Motorsport. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm buzzing because we are getting a brand new 4-post lift from Snap-on with all the alignment equipment we need to make sure the cars are good on track. So the first stage of this process is we've got a groundswork team coming in. They're going to dig a small pit in the workshop so that we can get the brand new lift level with the floor. This means that when we drive onto the lift, we're not going to have that horrible little ramp you have to try and get a lowered car up by putting bits of wood in and all that sort of malarkey. We're literally going to have the ramp ground clearance so we can drive straight onto the lift. This is going to be a game changer for the workshop. I'm super buzzing about it because it's just going to save time. We're not going to damage front bumpers. We're not going to damage the underside of the cars. We're going to have perfect alignment every time the cars go into the trailer and head to an event. So let's get into the video. I'm excited to show you what's going on. Okay, so pretty exciting moment. Our pit has been dug. The groundswork team have finished. Over the weekend, we painted it as well, just to try and make it look a little bit nicer. And yeah, coming up soon, the guys are going to be here installing the 4-post lift. We're going to get into that in a moment.
Get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now. Set the move from the dough. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. You can't tell me shit now. That's just how it goes.
It's in, it's done. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. This is what workshop dreams are made of. I'm absolutely blown away how quickly this has gone in and how just awesome this is. Like the ramp itself, I know I mentioned it earlier, but like it's completely flush with the floor, so we can just drive the cars straight on to the 4-post lift. It's going to be absolutely amazing. It's got shaker plates as well, so that when we're looking for some suspension that's a bit worn or loose or whatever, that's going to really make a massive difference. Turntables for alignment and just, you know, playing with the steering. It's going to be just so much better having this ramp here. Yeah, it's just actually awesome. Like it's so nice. It's such high quality, and I'm so stoked that we've got it. jacking beam as well in the middle so that we can jack the car up once it's on the ramp. Really, really cool. It's got some really cool functions as well. Like this torch here controls the shaker plates so that we can use the torch, look underneath the car at the same time as shaking the shaker plates. Yeah, it's savage. It's absolutely incredible. I'm so stoked to have this here. Thank you so much to Snap-on for sorting this out. And obviously the groundwork and everything else is just, yeah, it's awesome. I'm so happy. And yeah, looking forward to getting the first car on it and yeah, start operating it. And not only do we have this amazing lift, we have all of the alignment tools we need to go with it. We've got this John Bean alignment setup through Snap-on that works in conjunction with the lift. So yeah, this is awesome. Just going to make our lives so much easier here in the workshop for aligning the cars, setting the cars up. You know, we can save the settings of how we've set the cars up. If you know, once I've got a setting on the car that I really like, we can save that, put it on the ramp, and just check the alignment, make sure it's exactly where it was when we set it up the last time, make any quick adjustments into the trailer and gone to the event. So this is going to be a game changer here in the workshop. And also if we're working on anything else that we drive on the road, the van, you know, any of our daily cars, they can all go on the ramp and we can do our own alignment now with this amazing setup. So yeah, this is just awesome. Big shout out to Snap-on again for making this happen. Thank you very much. We now have 3 amazing lifts here in the workshop to work with. We have got some pretty cool things coming up very soon. We've got a new build on the way. We'll tell you more about that very soon, so stay tuned. But for now, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Let us know in the comments section what maybe you think the next build's going to be that's coming up very soon. And we will catch you in the next video.
Make sure you head over to the SB13 shop website to see the newest additions to our merchandise range and support the team. Thank you for watching.